Let's learn the technique to find the squares of numbers ending in 5. For example, we want to find 15 square. Take the 1 as it is, add 1 to 1, so we get 2. Multiply 1 times 2. We call this left hand side. Now take the 5 square, which is 25. Call this right hand side. Now we can simplify both of these expressions and concatenate their results. 1 times 2 equals to 2, and we have 25 from the right hand side. Therefore, our answer equals to 225. That is so simple. Let's do another example. 25 square. Take the 2 as it is and add 1 to the 2. Therefore, we get 3. Now do 2 times 3, which gives you the left hand side. Now do the 5 square, which gives you right hand side. Now simplify both the expressions and concatenate the results. 2 times 3 equals to 6, and we have 25 from the right hand side. Therefore, our answer is 625. I hope you guys are enjoying this technique. Let's do another example. 35 square. Take the 3 as it is, add 1 to the 3 and multiply with 3. So we get 3 times 4. We call this left hand side. Take the 5 square, which equals to 25. We call this right hand side. Now let's simplify both of these expressions and concatenate their results. 3 times 4 equals to 12, and we leave the 25 as it is. Therefore, our answer equals to 1225. Let's do another example. Find 125 square. We follow our simple procedure for this technique. Take the 12 and add 1 to the 12, which gives you 13. Multiply 13 with 12. This gives you the left hand side of the expression. Now take the 5 square, which gives you 25. This is your right hand side expression. Now simplify both of these expressions and concatenate the results. 12 times 13 equals to 156, and we keep the 25 as it is. Therefore, our answer equals to 15,625. Let's do one more example. Find 95 square. We take the 9 and add 1 to the 9, which gives you 10. Multiply 10 with 9. This gives you left hand side of the expression. Now take the 5 square, which equals to 25. This is your right hand side of the expression. Now simplify both of these expressions and concatenate their results. 9 times 10 equals to 90, and we leave the 25 as it is. This is your answer, 9025.